My dear friends, today I want to speak to you about failure is a stepping stone to success. And our normal experience is this: if anybody has to go through one sort or other failure anytime in life, that is very discouraging for anybody. And it's not that easy to uh, bring oneself to realize what has happened to me in this failure. I can use it for my betterment. It's not that easy. If the failure is very painful, either in academic or any other uh, sphere of my life, one has to realize that what experience one has to go through, it will have always a positive side and a negative side. And it is easy for us to be encouraged by good experiences in life and to be discouraged or lose even hope of living because of certain bad experiences in life. So it's not a pious saying that failure is a stepping stone to success. That doesn't come automatically. One has to, in a way, work hard to make that failure into a positive, successful event or a sort of a method to overcome, to learn things which one cannot get from always positive experiences. So, this is very, very important for each one of us to realize that failure should not bring us easily to the conclusion it's all finished. Many people commit suicide because of some failure or other, especially in love or in business or in whatever effort one was dreaming to become. So, this is a very, very important thing. Even if I am fallen down, I can get up. Even if I am a failure today, I can become a success tomorrow or later. And for that, the important thing for me is to decide not to remain in the fallen state. That pain should give me courage. That fall should give me a kick that I am not going to be a fool to think that everything is over because of this very, very painful experience of failure of any sort. And unless I can create within myself this positive way of thinking, I cannot succeed in life. Just because I fail doesn't make me a success in life. That pain, that discouragement, that sort of hopelessness should give me the courage to have the wisdom. This is not the end of my life, and this is going to last forever. This misery, this failure, this sadness, this hopelessness We should not feel discouraged. It is easy to tell you or tell myself, but when I am in a deep, bad situation, no theory, no friend can help me. And I would even say, is God able to help me unless I realize that I have to help myself to overcome this sad, hopeless situation what I am going through right now. So the failure should take me to success of various types, and that all depends on my effort to come out of these bad experiences and to become more positive, more enthusiastic, more energetic in my way of looking at life. And whatever bad experiences came into me, how can I heal myself and become strong day by day? This factor should be always in my mind. I should be aware of that not only my positives are good for me, my negatives of any type, including failures of any type in any area in my life, should become, and I have the power to transform all these things into energy, power for success in future. So day by day, I should become more and more aware of that I can overcome my discouragement, my pains, my failures of any type, and become more and more enthusiastic, more and more energetic in life. So, this is very important for each one of us because all will not have always positive experiences or successful experiences in life. One time or other, one may have to go through very hard experience which may discourage a person. However intelligent a person is, however smart a person is, one may be shocked to realize that one day one is in a ditch, and that can make a person very, very discouraged, helpless, lifeless, energyless, and one may even think of even even suicide. And that's a time one has to remember not to forget I don't have to lose myself in this misery. Deep within me, God has put power to overcome whatever difficulties are there in life. So, this should push us to become more and more energetic and positive towards living experiences, whatever they are, not only good experiences, but also failures